Hey everyone, welcome to our video where we'll be comparing two of the latest AMD processors, Ryzen 5 5600X and Ryzen 7 5700G. As you can see, we've split our screen into two halves, with Ryzen 5 appearing on your left and Ryzen 7 appearing on your right. Before we dive into our comparison, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech product reviews. Let's get started. When it comes to price, Ryzen 5 5600X takes the lead with a price of $156, while Ryzen 7 5700G costs slightly more at $178. While both processors have great specs, Ryzen 7 5700G pulls ahead with its 8 cores and 16 processing threads, giving it an edge over Ryzen 5 5600X, which has 6 cores and 12 processing threads. Both processors are great for gaming, but Ryzen 5 5600X edges out Ryzen 7 5700G with its ability to deliver elite 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. While both processors have DDR4-3200 support and can be overclocked, Ryzen 5 5600X has a larger cache at 35 MB compared to Ryzen 7 5700G's 20 MB cache, giving it the advantage in processing speed. Both processors support advanced socket AM4 platform, with Ryzen 5 5600X being able to support PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. However, Ryzen 7 5700G has a lower maximum operating temperature at 95 degrees Celsius. And that's our comparison between Ryzen 5 5600X and Ryzen 7 5700G. Both processors have their pros and cons, so make sure to choose the one that meets your specific needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech product reviews. Thanks for watching.